The Aula Regia was the grand audience hall of the imperial palace on the Palatine Hill, built under Emperor Domitian in the late 1st century CE. This enormous ceremonial space was used for official receptions, imperial ceremonies, and meetings with senators, ambassadors, and important visitors. Its richly decorated interior, with marble columns, statues, and an elevated throne area, emphasized the wealth and authority of the emperor. The hall formed one of the central spaces of the Domus Flavia and reflected the increasingly formal and monarchic character of Roman imperial rule.